What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today, another quick little update on Luna Classic. Again, Luna actually had quite a bit of a breakout, end of year rally, whatever you want to call it. I think it will be interesting to see where we go from here. So let's get into the video. Right, so here we are. It doesn't look that impressive, but honestly, while the entire market is crashing, Luna actually seems to be going up. Look at that 1 hourly. And yes, it's slowing down a little bit now, but honestly, I think it's very, very interesting to see this. So finally, we're getting a little bit of confirmation that there is buying volume, there is hype, there is burning as well, of course. So this will also positively impact the burning rate as well. So let's just grab that chart a little bit and get it. Okay, there we go. It's little support lines. I mean, honestly, to see this on the last day of the year, it will be the last day of the year for me now. It'll be 1st of January when this is uploaded and done. So first of all, Happy New Year's to each and every one of you. But I mean, look at that volume. And let's just, actually, this is the 15 minute. Let's go down to the 5 minute. Actually, I mean, look at that. This is very positive. This is very positive. We're seeing a lot of buying momentum. Yes, some selling, but very, very little. So I expect this, honestly, to keep going up. Unless we start seeing more massive sell-offs. But for an end-of-year rally where basically all of crypto is on its ass, on its last legs right now, I think it's very cool to see this. And this is why I've been preaching like fundamentals, buying the dip. Technically, my last buy is now up. I think it was somewhere. So the current price is 15%. That's still 15% you can take, and especially if you're leverage trading, right now would be an excellent place to take profits, which is what a lot of people are doing, securing some last minute profits here. So honestly, I'm impressed. I'm hoping to see this momentum continue, and I think it's very telling for 2026 with Luna Classic. And yeah, let's keep this momentum going. Once again, guys, by the way, I am hoping to reach 1,000 subscribers. I'm most likely not going to hit it in 2025, but I would appreciate to hit it in 2026, especially in January. So if you can hit that like and subscribe button, you would be doing me a massive favor. Also, I have a completely free Discord. You're free to join that as well. Ask me anything you like. Talk about a coin you want me to talk about, or whatever the hell you want to share or talk about in there. It's completely free. Feel free to join it. If not, completely fine. And I would appreciate a like and subscribe on the channel, just in case. Or if you're watching me on Twitter, you can follow me on there as well. All right, so back to Luna Classic. So we've been preaching this for a while now, that we've been looking at Luna. We're seeing the fundamentals, what they did, what they were doing. They've upgraded the network. They're actively enabling more trading pairs. Binance enabled another trading pair, USDC, LUNC pair. Kraken reversed their decision to delist it, and all those things factor together. I think that is what causing this. There's so much positivity right now on this project. And also, not to forget, Do Kwon got sentenced to 15 years in jail. Unless he somehow gets a pardon, but he's not in US jail, so that'll be a bit more difficult, I think. So pair that with all these things together, they're getting their ducks in a row, basically. I think we're gonna see much more out of Luna, especially in the next year, especially when, like, the market's not euphoric right now. If the market does become euphoric again, I think we're gonna we haven't seen the last of Luna. Not by a long shot. And I mean, show me another chart that looks like this right now. There isn't. I 100% there isn't. At least not in crypto. Like this kind of bullish momentum I've not seen in weeks, basically. Other than maybe some odd token doing this or that, or a random meme coin which rug pulled later. So honestly, very pleasantly surprised. Wanted to get this video out because with all the negativity that is in the market, all the downward spirals, I think it's very important to post the positives as well, so to show people like these moves are not completely gone. And yes, if you zoom out, obviously it's going to look bad, but this kind of bullish momentum we've not seen in a while, with very little selling right now, especially even on the hourly. Yeah, I mean, there's some wicks on the candles, but it's not bad. And buy strength 1, sell strength. I wouldn't mind. Not yet, at least. Like, yeah, you can take a little bit of profits, but yeah, I think we're far from the end of this, and hopefully we get a very good January for Luna Classic. And I honestly would have expected it to be later in the year, but if this like continues to push up, and let's say we see 100% gain from the way down here. Let's not forget, like, the market cap right now for Terra Classic is 232 million, so relatively small. Obviously, it's a lot of money, but it's relatively small, so it's relatively easy to push that to a new higher floor. Sorry, I still have a bit of a cold, if you haven't noticed, but yeah, it's still strong. It's still going. We're starting to see turning point. I think that's, like, it's not just me. There is a lot of people positive, even before that, but there is a lot of positivity. And people on Twitter, and that, I think that's a good telltale sign as well. People on Twitter are posting about this as well. And once Twitter catches wind of things like this, once it starts running, once more YouTubers bigger than me start posting about this, start catching the wind of this, then obviously I think we're going to see a more influence. And as long as they keep building, as long as they keep their fundamentals going, as long as they basically stay the path, stay the course, follow the path and stay the course, then I think we're going to see newer highs from this. Like I've said before, it will not reach the old price. It will not go back to that old price. Not with the current supply, not with the current market cap, not a 40 trillion market cap from this point is way off. So, and that kind of money just isn't in the markets right now. So will it ever reach that price and that market cap again? Possibly somewhere in the future, especially if they keep burning, but that'll be years from now. So that's not what I'm aiming at. I'm looking at potential profit in the next year, maybe 2, maybe 3, where we get a good return. We're able to take some profits, possibly buy back some a little cheaper. I learned from some of the very first bull runs that I never sell everything anymore. I always keep a little bag of something behind just to make sure. So let's see where we end up. Hopefully we go a lot higher than this. I wish it to everyone as well. Like, I like taking profits, but if you guys are able to make profits, that would be awesome as well. Great start to the new year. And yeah, that's all I can really say. So I wanted to get this video out. Once again, guys, thanks for watching. If you like the content I make, please leave a like and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.